Hello viewers, Aslam here from Let's Flex, and this is lecture number 5 of GoHighLevel Advanced course in 2025. So in this lecture we are going to learn about onboarding process in a GoHighLevel and also how to create sub account in a GoHighLevel. Step by step I will guide you and streamline your whole onboarding process in a easy way. So let's dive in video and I will show you step by step. How to create sub account, how to add domain and branding setup, CRM configurations, automation setup, and also user management, training and sports, and final review as well. It's a quite long video, so stay on tune with me. So let's start from the sub account creations. For sub account creations, you need to understand the login and agency account. I have discussed in a previous lecture, so you can watch previous lecture so you will get idea account types in a GoHighLevel. So right now what we are going to do here, we are logging to our admin dashboard and navigate to create sub account section. So first of all, I am just going to my GoHighLevel account. Here is our agency dashboard in a GoHighLevel. I did white label with my branding and with my domain as well. I will also teach you how you can do this for your business. So what we are going to do here, we are going to create sub account. Here you see sub account sections. So we are just landed in a sub account section. I just click on a add sub account, and here you can put your all other details. Right now I don't have a 297 or 497 plan. I have only 97 plan and I already have 3 sub account. It's a super easy. I just create a test account. I will show you how I onboard this account. I'm just going to switch a sub account. That's a test account. What things you need to create your sub account? It's a super easy. It's not a lot of stuff or something like that. It's a 2 and 3 things that put on your sub account. First of all, you need your name, your business name, your domain, and your business category, and also you need your business ENI number, and also you can put your country, area, and all this stuff. So if you are going to white label it, and I just show you what I means. You see, I just sign in and I navigate to sub account, and after that what we can do, we have added sub account. Choose the template that you start. I am going to start from scratch and enter your business detail, name, emails, phone number. That I already did it. Our next step is a domain and branding setup. What we are going to do, we will add custom domain here, connect domains, update DNS, and verify domain. It's a super easy. Now, for example, I will say that it's a branded domain. I'm going to add here's test.leadsflex.com. I'm just going to add this domain and I'm going to add manual record. It says host is test and value is this. Just copy this one. Simply go to my SiteGround account and just log in into my domain area, and then I will go to domain again, and here you see DNS zone editor. So I'm not going to create here. I will create new domain and it's a test. Similar. It's 5 minutes. What is IP address? IP address is already okay. I will show you another way. I need to check what is the record. I think it's a C name. I need to select here. I have to put test. Let's say 5 minutes and just put this value. That's the record edit. Yeah, it's record edit. I'm just go back to GoHighLevel and I will say just verify this domain. Yeah, our domain is added here, and here you see that's our domain. I'm going to test it. For example, I'm going to here and it says so our subdomain added here, and we will add business type. What is our business type? For example, I'm say non-profit corporations and automotive, and also you can select your region and voice call and all these stuff you need to add here, but I'm going to do all this stuff here. And after that, what I am going to do in a sub account, our next step is branding is added. I just add my logo here. I just put my name here and put my legal business name, And then what we are going to do here, we are going to check over the next procedure. I just connect the domain, update DNS, verify domains, update logo, set the theme color. But right now I'm going to use my own theme color, so no need to this. Configure domain footers. I'm just going to configure email domain footer. For email domain footer, what we are going to do, we are just need to dive into email services, and here we can add another subdomain that we are going to use for email sending. You can say that it's a dedicated domain. You can simply add your domain here, new domain here, and simply put your test dot or email dot leadsflex.com you can put here, and then it's a similar that I did previous for branding, and you can put your all C records and data here, and then your email dedicated emails domain will be ready. And I will show you how it looks. I just land into leadsflex. I will show you how dedicated domains looks. I just go to email services, and here you can get the idea how dedicated domain looks. And here you see I just created dedicated emails, and I will show you header as well. Once your domain is integrated, then you can put your business name that use for email. When one email sent to someone, it will be appear with this name. And also you can put your email here. It's super easy. Once you attach dedicated domain, then it will be appear this section. Then you can go to set header, and you can put your all detail here. So let's go back, and I will show you another things here. Let me go back in the test account, and in a test account what we are going to do, we are going to learn about other things like our next step is email is done, branding is done, domain is also done. So what we are going to do, we are going to learn CRM configurations, import contacts. I will use CSV file, and then create pipeline and stages. Yeah, sure, I will create pipeline and stages, and then we are going to set automations here. Just go back here. I just go to for first I'm going to opportunity, and I'm going to create here pipeline. Right now I have pipeline here. I have did in a previous video, but I'm going to show you. We're going to create not opportunity. I just go to the pipeline here. Here is a test pipeline. I'm going to delete it. Okay, and I will create again. Just refresh this page. Okay, I just refresh this page and create a new pipeline. I will put test, and I will put stages, for example new lead, and another stage is hot. No, just put hot one loss paid. It's up to you. You can make your own stages, but in my case I'm going to make these stages. So I just go to my opportunities, and I will check. Yeah, you see new leads, hot, won, loss, and paid. So in the next step we are going to, let me show this, and in CRM this one is done, and we are going to do this section, upload CSV file and map the fields. I just landed in a contacts. So here you see import CSV file. These are our dummy content. I am going to upload this dummy content contacts here. Okay, and I just put the next button, and here you see all fields are map, company name also map, websites maps, emails maps. So we need to put the owner name, and here what we are going to select here, we will select name here, so it's also map here. You see our all fields are green, it means all fields are map. I just go to the next, and I just put here test leads, and in advance what we are going to add here, we just add a tag test lead, and I just submit it. I just turn this agree button, and then I will click on it, and it will be start proceeding, start importing into GoHighLevel account. So right now I'm go to back again opportunity. Right now here you see we don't have any opportunity, and it new leads. I have attached contacts, but it's not appear in a new leads. For this we need to make a automation for them, and but in the our sections that these all procedure done, then I'm going to do next step automations workflow, create drip campaigns and define triggers, okay, and sync calendars and set availability. Okay, I'm going to set workflow first, and I will add leads into pipeline, then I'm going to do other stuff. So I just landed here. I will create a new workflow from here. Just I will say start from scratch. Okay, and I will say add leads into pipeline. Adds lead into pipeline, we will say. It's a trigger name, and what we are going to do, we are not going to select any trigger, but here I am going to select create an update opportunity opportunity, and in this I'm going to select, you see what we are going to do here. I will add contact here, and in adding contact we will say add contact test account bookings, and on a stage new leads pipeline this one, and what you are going to do status, what we say it's a open. Okay, it's not a one, it's not anything else, and we will put a value, for example say 1000, and source is a website, and we can put its CSV file. Let's see, I just save the action, and I will publish this workflow, and I just go back here, and then I go back to contacts. What I'm going to do, I will more filter here, and I will add filter here. What the filter I'm going to add, I will add that tag. You see these all are a test lead here. I am going to search here way of tag, and it says tag is test account lead, and I just apply it. These all contacts that I have import right now from CSV file. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select these all contact, okay, and then I will add into change pipeline, or I'm going to say I'm going to add automations. Click on automations, it says okay, and then what I am going to do, adds, you see one automation is a public, so we are showing here, and this here, and then I will say yeah, just put the follow updates. I just put the test name here. Whatever you can put your action name, it will be for your memory and for your history. Go back in automations, and I will test it, and I will go to execute log, and here you can see all these contacts are added in our workflow, and they also migrate to our pipeline as well. So you see 17 contacts here. So I'm going to contacts, and no, not contacts, I'm going to leads, and here you see these all appear in our new lead. Okay, we have 1000, but its value is 1000. So that's how you can import your contacts and add in pipeline, then start your add in automations and send your follow-up, send your whatever you want to send, you can send here. You see opportunity source is CSV file, and whatever you want to show here you can add here. Okay, let's check the next topic. And next topic is our make workflow and sync calendars and set availability. It's a super easy, and you need to just make calendar and you need to all these stuff. I will show you in a while. And here we can go and add user management, send invitations and assign access level. Okay, what I am going to do, I am in a sub account and I just go to setting and I just go to my stuff, and here you can add user. For example, I will say add user, I will say test name, I will say not here, email say test email.com. I just put this email for dummy, and here you want to add your password that you want to allow this user, otherwise user create your own password. Okay, and what else you want to add here? I have nothing to add here. I just say next, and it's asked for user role and permission. What permission you want to give this guy? I want to use just user or want to use as admin. I'm going to add user. I don't want to show this account detail, don't want to share management AI and other stuff. I just want to show automation area, not blog section, not calendar section, not certification, not communities, not contacts, not conversion. Yes, I want to show dashboard. I want to show funnel. Don't show integrations. I'm not want to show migrations, and I'm not going to show media. No, I'm going to show media, no membership, no opportunities, and no payment area. And that whatever you want to show you can add and select and deselect it. Don't want to show this, I just save it. So that's how you have add user. You see, we have add user successfully, and we have also give them a limited opportunity. User is attached. If you want to delete user, just super easy, click here, just you need to put delete here. It's a super easy, you can delete it. Okay, that's also done. And what is a set permission and assign roles, that I already discussed. And let's go to the trainings and preview onboarding documentation, schedule training and share your support. For this section, training and support, it's a super easy. Type in Google leadsflex.com. You can find link in description as well. Go to here, book free consultation. Then I will guide you all the things and all the stuff. And if you buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, I will set up all these things for you, even this white label as well. And these all your branding and these domains and all these pipeline and automations, all the stuff I can do free of cost if you can go with my affiliate link. Okay, and let's dive in our third and final section. In a final section, what we are going to do, test sub account that I already have tested, and book test appointment, announce to the team and monitor initials. That's once you go live, but I'm not going to make it live. So once you make a live, then you can do this, and yeah, you can send test emails and all stuff as well once you add your dedicated domains. Yeah, so that's it from this video. And if you want any help, thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe, share my video and comments on video as well. And if you like my content, so appreciate me, that's take too much time for me. And also you can go with my affiliate link, book free consultation, then I will give you all these details, even snapshots, and also I just give you all other things as well. Thank you so much.